Hi, I'm Rob.
And I'm Liz, and this is Max.
Mary.
And Lulu. We just quit our jobs and left it all behind.
To find something bigger and better, because we were
called to the road.
This is the main entrance to the Oaks at Point South RV Park. It is a nice, easy entrance. The road leading up to here splits. One side goes to a KOA, the other leads into the park here. It's easy to enter this park, pretty easy to maneuver. All the sites are pull-through and all have 30 or 50 amp and are full hookup. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of trees and they're all covered with Spanish moss, so
it is very beautiful. But when we got here, the one nice thing I noticed is that all of the aisles or rows or whatever are named.
it is a pretty simple map. It's just laid out like a easy grid. There's 5 or 6 lanes that are all named after trees: birch, pine, ash, etc. And then there you go down your lane and it's a pull-through spot. And they did stick us in they assigned us a spot, but I think that's because we're in a small trailer and they just put us in a little bit of a smaller spot. There also is a small lake at the back end of this park, which is home to some alligators. It's a little swampy, but the trail around the lake is actually really pretty. Also
I think it's
surrounded by
2 miles.
trees.
I read 2-mile walking trail. That's crazy.
We're definitely new to this alligator thing, and before we left, we are pretty concerned about alligators, especially when we're in Florida.
And alligators just near the campground in general. Like, I'm okay with alligators, but
It's a little unsettling.
this lake, this pond, whatever
Swamp.
it is, swamp. Yeah, it's more like a swamp here. Literally.
It's a little swampy.
Apparently, we were not meant to see any gators.
Which is kind of okay. Overall, I really like this park. It was like the first few days I wasn't sure, but I think that was because it was rainy and a little mucky, and we just had a little bit of like cabin fever, but it really is beautiful. Location is definitely the key for this park. Easy, close to Savannah and Charleston. Really nice. We had the last few days had some rain. The rain is gone, the sun is out, and we are crossing the bridge into Hilton Head Island, South Carolina.
Totally unexpected. We didn't think that we were going to come here today, but we were in Bluffton? Just doing a day trip.
Lizzie's on one. I guess we got here like 10 minutes before this place closes. This beach access area closes. Getting ready to do a project in this area. This is our plastic bag catcher that was in here when we bought the trailer, and it was mounted right here, but we have nowhere to put a trash bag in this thing, so I was going to move that and put some hooks here to hold a little plastic bag. Well, that led to Lizzie investigating this drawer thing, which she's been going nuts about since we bought it.
So this bottom drawer is the same size as this one. When we first looked at the RV, we did notice that it wasn't going in and out properly. And we were just kind of like, whatever, we can fix that. Because we were we love the RV. So I don't think we've ever taken it all the way out.
This rail for the drawer is detached entirely in the back. The screws came out. We also then realized that it's punctured a hole through the heater vent that comes out the side of the kitchen
Yeah,
vent.
there's a hole right here. Boop, boop.
So we're gonna fix that up, tape that up, put a couple screws in this and re-secure that. I kind of just thought that the drawer was too heavy and that's what was the issue, but it's just not even, the rail's not even attached. So easy fix. We also got to clean out all the dust and bugs that were trapped under here, but we never looked into that scary little hidey hole. Okay, other project.
When we added our mattress topper to this, which we couldn't be living without, it made it too heavy for these
Hydraulics.
cheapy old hydraulic system.
So we need to find a stiffer, stronger hydraulic. We got projects. Found a couple screws that will work for this rail, and just got to get in here, and the holes are already there. It's already lined up because there was screws there before. It's easy enough. Every project I've done in here so far has been cramped up, jammed up, trying to get in. This little Makita is, I couldn't possibly have a bigger screw gun to get into any of these things. That's why I'd like Makitas.
He loves Makita.
It's small and tiny, and it's still not even tiny enough for some of this. Every screw in the whole drawer system is loose. So maybe that's just from driving around. All right, so these, I guess, are just things to keep an eye on. So I'm gonna put these little wire command hooks here and here, and that's what my little plastic bag for trash is gonna hang from, because there is literally nowhere else in this thing to put trash.
Yeah, and we can't put it on the floor because then the dogs will just eat it.